Good day, sir. I am Daniel Rayos, and today I'm presenting to you a system designed to improve how funeral and cemetery services manage their booking and transactions. The system name is Heavenly Sleep. Heavenly Sleep is a structured booking and payment tracking system that organizes funeral, and cemetery service transaction in a clear, efficient, and automated way. The system is designed to manage users, record bookings, track payment of the client, compute balance automatically, and separate admin and a client rule. The funeral service business handled multiple clients at once, handled large payment amount, partial payment, and service customization, and automatically compute remaining balance if the client pay partially. It compute the system and it minus to the total amount, and the system can track also if the client is fully paid, partial paid, and unpaid in status of the booking. Na and speak of booking, the booking is also organized booking per user. It has alignment, columns, and rows, and the system is prevent overpayment errors and separate admin in the client access. The admin benefits as a owner, as a business owner, you can also view all the client booking in the one place to monitor the payment progress if they are paid, unpaid, and partial paid. And as admin, you can also manually add the payment. You can also manually add the payment, uh, add the bookings also, and remove the bookings. And it maintain organized service records. The client benefits is can register securely. You can choose services easily. For each services, they have their own services in the funeral and the cemetery services. And in the client benefits, it can also show the the s- the the total amount of the services you want to avail, and the service to provide to the client. And the client can also view their booking details. They can track payment status, and they cancel booking when necessary. And in the real application, this system can be used by funeral homes, memorial service providers, and cemetery management office. This system helps client to book or serve their loved ones who have died and who have died or in the heaven, and it's less hassle you whenever you were is. And the ritual system is help also to the to us to prevent hassle. And that's all. Thank you, God bless you, and goodbye.